Wow. With the way Terra Classic is going down, and we keep asking if Coinbase might be supporting this coin once again, but as of a few months ago, that's about 7 to 8 months ago, it looks as if Coinbase we are actually going to list, they are going to back this coin fully in every aspect, just like the way Binance has been doing. But we all know that Coinbase actually dropped Terra Classic, and since then it has been difficult for them to list Terra Classic back again. But now, majorly some few months, Coinbase and Terra Classic has been on the news. People talking about Terra Classic getting listed back again. That is, if you permit me, I will say relisting Terra Classic again. Coinbase releasing Terra Classic back again, and it looks as if it was going to happen, but since then till now, November is already ending, that have not really happened. And even though they are showing little support, Coinbase are not giving all their support. Okay, and even some exchanges that listed Terra Classic, just like Binance, not all exchanges are giving fully support towards Terra Classic. And if they can get that support just the way Binance are doing, believe me, by now I believe they might be at least be ranked, they might still be ranked among the top 70 crypto coins with the highest market cap, but because it was just Binance alone that we are doing the job. I mean, doing almost 90% of the job. So you see, it was not easy for Terra Classic to really stand on its own, but they need huge big companies, they need big exchanges to really come in, not just listening, but they need these exchanges to support Terra Classic. And I believe that most exchanges that people lost money under their platform on Terra Classic should see it as the way of trying to help this coin bounce back so that people can recover from their investment. People can recover some of the money that they lost on this coin as of last year, May, April, and May. So that is what I believe Binance is also trying to do, because Binance was also a victim of this loss. So what they are trying to do is to make sure that they help this coin to bounce back, and everyone smiles at the end if the coin rises. Imagine Terra Classic at 1 cent. Imagine that. You might be someone that lost about $1,000 might be earning over $10,000 profit. You see, that is just the goal, and that is what I believe that Binance are not giving up. But let's hope and see how it goes before the end of 2023 and 2024. Okay, we still have 1 year more to look at Terra Classic. Please kindly subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos that we'll always upload every day, and we'll keep on uploading videos that will help you to make money online. Once again, thank you for stopping by.